Welcome to Suffix Tree ERP RMC Shoot demo. Suffix Tree ERP RMC Shoot is a product of Suffix Tree Technologies, who is a leading ERP provider for ready-mix concrete industry worldwide. Suffix Tree ERP RMC Shoot is an end-to-end solutions for the entire gamut of RMC industries, which includes finance and controlling, purchase management, sales management, inventory management, production management, quality management, HR and payroll management. We do have a complete process for a transport automations, including the GPS integrations. Let me log into the main screen. So if you look at, we have a complete finance management, purchase management, sales management, inventory management, payroll management, quality management, transport management. This is a master setup. So you can create a company. You can also create a multiple plant. Our system support multiple companies, multiple locations. And let me take you through purchase management. In purchase, we have defined purchase requisition, request for quotations, supplier quotations, purchase order, and goods receipt and purchase bill as a process flow. You can also directly create a purchase order without having the previous process. So the direct purchase order screen will look like this. We have various features. If you look at, you can also list all the purchase bill which has been created. You can cancel the purchase bill. You can also print the purchase bill from here. You can also search the existing purchase bill. You can save the purchase bill using this icon. You can also create a new purchase bill. You can also preview the purchase bill. And we have given various reports in purchase management, both entry level and MIS reports. We also can configure the workflow per PR approval. And we can also create a workflow per purchase order approval. If you look at our sales management, we have a pricing update. You can also create sales targets month-wise. You can also create a payment terms. And basically our sales management process flow starts from purchase quotations or a sales pro forma. Based on sales pro forma, you can create a sale orders. You can create a sales orders. You can also create a delivery confirmations. In delivery confirmations, you can do a delivery confirmation for multiple sale orders. You can also create a sales invoice. When you do the delivery confirmations, automatically the stock being detected. When you do the sales invoice, automatically the sales invoice is posted into the finance. And you can also create a direct sales invoice without having the previous process. There are various reports. There are more than 40 reports offered in the sales modules, which includes both entry level reports and the MIS reports. We also have a graphical reports. So when we do the GRN, the stock being updated into the inventory module. The same way when we do the delivery challan, the stock being detected from the inventory module. If you look at, we also can have a direct stock receipt and stock issues. And we have given various reports, stock ledger reports. And Suffix Tree is a leading software provider for HR and payroll processing. We have integrated our HR and payroll software into Suffix Tree RMC Shoot as well. You can create a masters. You can do the monthly pay processing. There are various reports you can able to access. There are various attendance reports you can able to access. Suffix Tree QC module is an end-to-end quality process module done only for ready-mix concrete. If you look at, we have various kind of QC test, like water absorption test, vehicle type masters, type report for cement, test report for cement, and then there are various reports available. And we also have a complete transport module which is been integrated to GPS device. You can also create a vehicle service request, approval and job card. So when the job card been done, the financial information getting posted into the finance and the stock information getting posted into the inventory. Suffix.Try RMC Shoot offers an end-to-end financial module. You can create a chart of accounts. You can create a journals. You can do the cash bank accounting. You have a complete account payable and account receivable. There are various reports offered here. We have a complete payable transactions and reports. We have a financial reports. And we have a financial statements like trial balance, balance sheet and profit and loss statements. Our ERP can be integrated to a batching plant. Our ERP can also be integrated to a weighbridge. Our ERP can be integrated to a real-time GPS device. And our ERP can be integrated to any attendance system such as biometric or swapping card systems. Thank you very much for seeing the demo of Suffix.Try ERP RMC Shoot. If you have any queries, please contact us at info@suffixtree.com. Thank you very much.